Eckold Clinchage. That means trend-setting joining technology plus the innovative and proven joining method for connecting sheet metal and profiles. Clinching is forming without heat treatment, and in the process creates a permanent joint from the material of the metal parts themselves, irrespective of whether they have different thicknesses or are made of the same or different materials. The result? Excellent holding force, gas tight and a good appearance. Eckold clinching tools consist of a wide range of punches and dies. The large number of different versions offer solutions for a huge variety of joining tasks. The clinching process in slow motion. In the cross-section, you can clearly see how the individual sheets are joined. Here again, the universal round RDF joint, as well as the other Eckold clinching elements, which are designated as SDF, HDF and confix clinches. This is the range of portable clinching tools, which we'd like to introduce to you by showing you brief examples. First, the compact, easy-to-use electro-hydraulic clinching unit DFB 3045. All it requires is a 220-volt socket. One-hand clinching unit DFZ 5535. The ideal tool, for example, for joining profiles in the building industry. One-hand clinching unit MCD 35. A compact, lightweight tool for mobile use with a rotatable head. Mobile clinching pliers MZD 25-3. Shown here, joining filter elements used in air conditioning and ventilation technology. Mobile clinching pliers MZD 35-3CH. The compact, small tool for joining sheet metal and U-shaped profiles, designed especially for corner joints. Mobile clinching pliers MZD 35-6. Unsurpassed repeat accuracy of the defined but adjustable dead stop, as opposed to the pressure-controlled method. The mobile clinching pliers MZD 60-6D can be perfectly positioned thanks to the cardan suspension. The fact that the pliers can be opened manually allows even large profiles to be clinched without any problem. A clamping function helps to position the workpiece prior to clinching. Let's move on to Eckold drive units. There are various versions to suit different applications. This is the mobile hydraulic unit HA 510. The portable hydraulic unit HAT 520 with a lower oil pump capacity. And the air-to-oil pressure converter PHA 45. Now to the stationary clinching machines. The DFG 560 with an integrated hydraulic unit is a universal machine for use on bulky hollow body components. It has a large horizontal and vertical working radius. The adjustable dead stop ensures top quality joints. The stationary C-frame machine DFG 500-150. With a force of 150 kilonewton, it's even able to clinch stainless steel sheets. With further accessories, the machine can be used for punch riveting and hole punching. Moving on now to special machines, Eckold has a number of customised systems designed to handle even the trickiest clinching problems. Here, for example, a stationary unit producing transformer housings. The semi-automatic machine seen here is designed for joining car window winder components. The parts are fed manually. Then, in a single stroke, 3 clinches are made automatically on both the left and right-hand parts. Let's underline some of the most decisive advantages of Eckold clinching as opposed to other joining methods. No thermal effects on the clinch area, no toxic gases or vapours, no pre-treatment or subsequent reworking, no additional tools. Fluctuations in sheet thickness are compensated without any problems. Coated sheets can also be clinched. Only electricity or compressed air are required, and quality assurance is non-destructive. Here, as an example, the joined components. Despite the different surface coatings, the result couldn't be better. The joints on the rear wall of a tumble dryer. At this station in the production process, a hydraulic press is used to place multiple joints in one stroke, together with a robot which handles the parts. Many years of experience in providing innovative, practice-oriented solutions make Eckold the company of choice when it comes to designing special installations. Cost-efficient joining. 17 Eckold RDH clinches in a single stroke in just 3 seconds. To make the whole process even clearer, let's take another look at it from various angles. All that remains to say is, Eckold clinching means cost-efficient manufacturing, combined with the highest degree of availability and maximum production accuracy. Joining the various parts of a car bonnet without a single weld. Station 1. Clinching the lock and hinge reinforcement to the interior panel. The overall manufacturing costs of a clinched component are approximately 55% of the costs for spot welding, including machine investment and operating costs, a major economic factor. Station 2. Clinching the interior panel to the exterior panel. 10 single-point frames and 2 double-point frames place a total of 14 Eckold RDF joints in one work cycle. In Station 3, the remaining clinches of a total of 30 are made. Here, the result. All the clinches have an excellent appearance. A complete bonnet every 56 seconds, roughly 900 bonnets a day. In the next application too, the reinforcement and hang-on parts as well as the planking are joined using Eckold clinching technology. Only in the feed station are the bracket for the gas pressure spring as well as the reinforcement part joined to the interior panel using stationary clinching tools. The main difference between this example and the installation shown previously is that here Eckold clinching tools have been incorporated into robot cell production. In this first station, 18 clinches are produced simultaneously. The final clinching of the reinforcement is done using a stationary clinching tool. The complete interior panel is guided by a robot. The next station, the interior panel is joined to the planking. Altogether, 6 robot clinching tools are used. The cycle time per clinch is half a second. The service life of the clinching tools is normally between 200,000 and 250,000 joints. The quality of the clinches is checked online. The result, a total of 67 clinches can be made in less than 40 seconds. Maximum daily production rate is 1,350 components. Joining the two parts of a roof crossbeam for a car. It takes a mere 0.7 seconds to place a clinch using a combination of mobile and stationary robot clinching tools. And something else. Unlike welding, clinching doesn't produce any toxic gases or welding spatter which can cause pollution. Eckold Clinching poses no health risk and isn't a burden on the environment. Energy consumption is low and it's not necessary to extract fumes, another disadvantage of welding. All in all, Eckold Clinching is a clean, cost-effective and eco-friendly technology. Quality control is indispensable today. Apart from conventional methods, Eckold offers a computer-aided online monitoring system. Various different devices are available to ensure 100% quality control in automated series production plants. And that means more efficient and more economical production. Here's how it works. The work area, the clock generator, and the force sensor. A test to demonstrate approved joining. On the display, the white line indicating the joining process is within the black tolerance range. Now, simulating a faulty joint. The fault is signalled both optically and acoustically, plus a warning on the display. The curve is outside the tolerance range. The process will be stopped. Eckold Clinching means competence from a single source, because technologically, Eckold has remained true to its reputation as a trendsetter. Eckold Clinching, the joining technique of the future. Thank you for your attention.